Let's play a little game, intruder. The rules are simple. Guess what a coin is, and you win. Fail, and you lose. If you win, I'll let you go forward. If you lose, well, you're dead. What a pity.